Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sarah Mrs. Sophia. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today's video we'll be making a halter neck dress. So this dress I will be using this beautiful silk fabric of about 2 years, which you can see me folding right now. I will make a fold as if I'm making a peplum. As you can see, I'll fold this way on one part of the fabric, just like this. This fabric is a bit slippery, so I'm just trying to make it straight. And now I will start adding my measurements. You can see the way I put it on fold. Now I will take the full length of the dress. The full length I'm using is 40, and I'll add extra 1 inch to make it 41 inches. So now from the upper part, I will take my 41 inches all round. I will take the measurement all round, just like this. And now this is the top part of the measurement. Here I will be adding the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement is 14. I will divide my 14 inches into 2, which is 7 inches. This is it. This is 7 inches. And I will mark the armhole measurement. The armhole measurement is my bust measurement. The bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches is the armhole measurement. As you can see, this is it. I've marked it. Then I'm going by half an inch. As you can see me doing now, I'm going by half an inch and curve it out. Now I'll add the neck line. The neck measurement is 3 inches, but I will be using 2.5 by 2.5, because my client is not a plus size, so I'll be using 2.5 for the round neck of the front, and the back I'll be using 1 inch for the neck depth, 1 inch for the neck depth, 2.5 for the width of the back neckline. So now this is the full measurement. I will add the bust measurement now. The bust measurement is 40 divided by 4 is 10. I'll add it here, 10 plus an extra 2 inches, and I will take it straight down to the end of the fabric, just like this. As you can see, I'll take it straight down, as you see me do now. And now I'll cut out just like this. I'll cut out as you see me do right now. So now after cutting the fabric out, now I'm going to cut out the halter neckline. It's just as simple as you see me do now. From the neckline, I will make a curve line to the armhole line, just like this. As you can see, a curved line. It must not be straight. If you want it to be straight, no problem, but I don't want mine to be straight. It's supposed to be curved, so I will make a curved line to the armhole line, which you see me cut out now, just like this. And you can see the halter neck is coming out. You can see this is the front neck, the front part of the dress. As you can see, I've already cut out. I will use this same part to cut out the front, the back. I will be placing the front fabric, the front piece I've already cut out, on this part of the material. As you can see, I place it on top and use it to cut out the back, just like you see me doing right now. So now from the leftover fabric, I will make a fold of 2.5 inches wide, like this, and the length is going to be the round neck measurement of my client. The round neck measurement of my client is 14 inches. So I'll be cutting out 14 inches by 2.5 inch piece as a rope. As you can see, this is what I'm cutting out now. I'll just try to curve it out a little, make it equal, just as you see now, just like this. And now I will fold into 2 and make a notch at the middle so I will know when to join it. As you can see, now I'll go to the sewing machine and show you the way I will be joining it. So now I want to start joining it. First, I will use a bias strip to turn around the armhole measurement, armhole part of the dress. I'm going to use it to turn it around, turn it inside out, as you can see, from the front to the back. This is my bias strip. I'm already sewing. I'll sew in the edges of the armhole just like this, because this dress, you don't have to line in this dress. It's a simple dress. So I will turn all the armhole sides just like this, as you see me do. Now place the bias strips on top and sew down, and then I'll fold it in and also sew down. It's just as simple as you see. So now, after folding the armhole sides of the front and the back, now I will join as the sides of the front at the back. I will join at the side, as you can see, from the armhole downwards, just like this, with, you can see, with 1 inch allowance. I will join by 1 inch, just like this. I will just join straight down. Do same for the other side. So now, after joining both sides together, I'm supposed to turn the down part of the dress. As you can see, I'm just trying to make it equal at the down part. That is why I'm trimming it, to make it equal, just like this. Now I'll go to my sewing machine and fold in the down part of the dress, just like this. Because the dress is not a straight dress, I'll just make a tiny fold all around, as you see me do right now. And now, at the back, I forgot, there's supposed to be a slit at the back neck, just like this. A slit not too deep, at most 5 inch or 4 inch depth. So this is what I just did. I just did the slit now, and I will also turn in the slit with a bias strip, just like this. As you can see, I will turn it in with a bias strip. And now this is the neck piece I cut out. This is the front piece. I will make a notch at the middle of the front piece to know the exact place I'll be placing the band I cut out. So I will open up the band and place it on the front piece, just like this. I'll open up the band and I will sew, as you see me do, like this. I'll sew to the armhole point. Then I will take the back piece from the armhole point and continue sewing to the back part, back slit, just like this. I'll do same for the other part, just the same way I did for the first part. From the middle of the front piece, I will sew the band on it, just like this, to the armhole point. And I'll add the back piece too from the armhole point and sew down to the back slit, like this. And now I'll cover up the band. So this is the end point. I'll try and push in the edges to get a fine smooth finishing, just like this. As you can see, place the both sides in. It's a bit too small. I'm just trying to shorten it in. Push it in for this side, because I will be adding a button at the back, and the other side I will add a loop which we use to hold the button. I'll add a loop for the button at the other part. The loop I'll be using is a bias strip. So now guys, this is it. This is the neck. As you can see, my dress is ready. I just need to add a button at the back and it's good to go. I took the round measurement of the neck to make sure it's accurate, and it's exactly as I measured. Thanks for watching today's video. This is my pretty dress already set to rock. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.